We got to this point and we're so happy in terms of the journey it took to get here, but
on all the hard work.
And all the hard work, and we're obviously so happy to be here.
Yeah. We're in the countryside in County Meath. Lots of my aunts and uncles live in the surrounding areas. So there was family ties to this site, and then it was on the same road as my parents. So it was the perfect site for us. We have two sections to the house. We have a single story section where we have the open kitchen and living room area, and then we have a two-story section where we have the bedrooms and the bathrooms, utility room. And then a corridor in the middle joining both sections together. Well, I guess the end goal was to build our forever home. A home that we'd feel comfortable in and that we'd put our own stamp on.
I think somewhere that we'd like to spend, a lazy weekend, somewhere we'd like to spend quality time with family, friends, hang out together, and just be really happy and comfortable here. Well, to be fair, I think we both kind of always wanted to build our own houses, and we've always had conversations about housing styles and what we liked.
We could build it exactly how we wanted our house rather than buying. And the fact that we'd family living nearby, that we'd have local needs as well for the area. So we decided to build in the end. The mortgage, it was fairly straightforward, even though it took quite a while to gather all of the paperwork.
We did have a mortgage advisor who really helped, and that's probably something that really did save a lot of headaches, which is probably fair to say.
It just takes time to gather all of the documents and waiting for the providers to get back to us and solicitors. It just really takes time. Probably took 3 years in total from seeing the site, deciding to buy it, applying for the plan, designing the house, took a while, applying for the plan permission. So it was 2019, we were designing the house. We were approved in January 2020. Then we did wait for maybe a year during COVID. We were just seeing how everything would pan out.
And we did some homework then as well.
Yeah, we were doing a lot of planning and research during that time. And then we started building in August 2021. And then we moved in August 2022. We chose an architect that was recommended to us by family. He had the style that we liked also with the modern houses. So we were very happy with him and his design.
You did have a 3-page document of what you wanted.
I was probably wrecking his head with all of our ideas.
And just to note as well, probably worth mentioning that Shawna had done a lot of research in terms of measuring rooms, so she kind of knew what you wanted as a kitchen size, bedroom size, so we kind of knew what we wanted, in terms of sizings of rooms.
And he was great at planning out the windows and bringing light into the space.
He kind of helped us bring it all together, definitely.
And especially like the ceiling lights, the roof lights, the vaulted ceiling, and the feature window going up the stairs as well. We didn't have any experience in building ourselves, so we said we'd leave that to the experts, but I guess the big decision was choosing our contractor in the first place. He was very good at lining up all the tradesmen and making everything run smoothly. I did enjoy it. We painted the house ourselves, so I'd like to get hands-on. And then with the flooring and that, he laid the flooring. Dad helped us with that, so we were hands-on with the decorating as much as we could. Well, I guess we both designed the kitchen together. Initially, I was kind of veering towards like a country-style kitchen, very traditional shaker style, Kevin persuaded me and we did a full 360, didn't we?
So probably, yeah, we went 360 from what we originally had thought, but I think we've probably landed in something that we're both happy with.
Yeah.
Kind of decided to go on this kind of
modern
more
style,
of a modern, minimalistic look.
Yeah.
With kind of the deep green.
Yeah, to have the pop of colour.
To have that pop of colour in it, so.
It's a real feature of the room.
But I think we both kind of like that clean, minimalist look. It was quite kind of an important decision for us to make, and because we knew we would be spending a lot of time in here, we kind of settled on something that we both really like.
And it takes, I think, the most
the
planning
thought.
And thought, all the little things about where to place your sink, where the size of your island. It definitely it's the most planned room in the house.
Yeah.
Well, we just have our main bathroom done so far. We said we do one at a time.
Yeah.
We chose white tiles. We wanted to go with timeless tiles, and then we painted the wall green just for a feature colour in the bathroom, and we said that we could paint the wall and change the colours over time where we probably wouldn't change the tiles. We really liked the hexagonal tiles and the subway tiles, so they're kind of a classic style, so we went with those.
Just do your homework. Like, there's so many decisions you have to make, so much planning.
Yeah.
The more homework you've done, the smoother the journey will be.
When we had that year during COVID, we were doing all of our homework during that time. So we had a lot of those decisions made of, where we wanted our windows, what our kitchen layout would be.
I think we're both still so happy to be
Yeah.
here.
It can be surreal as well.
It can be, and I think we're still doing that now. You kind of have these moments you pinch yourself, you're like, okay, well, this is our house.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's definitely worth it. It was a long couple of years, but I think the outcome and result we're really happy with. So yeah, definitely recommend it.